Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this yellow shaded triangle ABC along with this line segment AD, as you can see in this given diagram, such that this side AB is equal to this side AC. In other words, this triangle is an isosceles triangle. And moreover, this segment BD is 3 units, whereas this segment CD is 5 units. And furthermore, this angle CAD is a 90-degree angle. And now our task is to find the area of this yellow shaded triangle ABC. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. And here's our very first step. We can see that this whole side BC of this yellow shaded triangle is going to be 3 plus 5 is going to make 8 units. And now let's focus once again on this yellow shaded triangle ABC. And we can see this is an isosceles triangle, since this side length equal to this side length. And in this next step, I have dropped a perpendicular AE on this side BC. And I'm going to label this perpendicular AE as our height h of this triangle. And now we can see that we are dealing with this isosceles triangle, and this AE is the perpendicular. So therefore we conclude that this segment BE is going to be equal to this segment EC, and we know this whole BC segment is 8. So therefore our BE segment is going to be half of that 8 is going to be 4 units, and likewise 4 over here. And furthermore, we know that this whole segment CD is 5 units. So therefore this tiny segment DE is going to be 5 minus 4 is going to give us 1 unit. So therefore our DE segment length is 1 unit. And now let's recall the area of a triangle formula. Area is always equal to a half times base times the height of the triangle. And now we know that the base of this triangle is 8 units. And this height of this triangle is unknown. So therefore now our task is to find the value of this height h. And now let's assume that alpha and beta are our two complementary angles. In other words, the sum of these angles alpha plus beta must be equal to 90 degrees. And now let's focus on this triangle AEC. This triangle, let's assume that this angle is alpha. We know this is our 90-degree angle. So therefore this angle has got to be our angle beta. And now we are going to focus on this tiny right triangle AED. We know this whole angle is 90 degrees. This angle is beta. So therefore this angle has got to be our angle alpha. And here we can see this is our angle alpha, this is our 90-degree angle. So therefore this angle has got to be our angle beta. So therefore we conclude that these two right triangles, the triangle AEC and other triangle AED, are our similar triangles according to angle-angle similarity theorem. And since these two triangles are similar, so therefore we are going to have a proportion. In other words, the ratio of the side length AE and the other side length EC is going to be equal to the ratio of side length DE and the side length AE. And now let's focus on this AE length. AE is our this perpendicular lowercase h. So I'm going to replace that one with the lowercase h. And the side EC in our case is 4 units. So I'm going to replace that one with 4 units. And our this DE length is this tiny segment 1 unit. So I'm going to replace that one with 1. And finally, this segment AE is lowercase h. So therefore, we can write down lowercase h divided by 4 equals to 1 divided by lowercase h. And now we are going to cross multiply. And when we multiply, h times h is going to give us h square equals to 1 times 4 is 4. And I'm going to undo this square by taking a square root on both sides. And here we can see this square and square root is gone. So therefore, our height lowercase h turns out to be positive 2 units. So thus our height h turns out to be 2 units. And here's our final step. Now we are going to calculate the area of this yellow shaded triangle ABC. And now let's recall the area of a triangle formula once again. Area is equal to a half times base times the height. And in our case, the base of this triangle is 8 units and the height is 2 units. So therefore, let's go ahead and fill in the blanks. So the yellow shaded triangle ABC area is going to be a half times the base is 8 units and the height is 2 units. And if we simplify the right hand side, that is going to give us 8 square units, the area of this yellow shaded triangle. So thus, after all the calculations and manipulations, the area of this yellow shaded triangle ABC turns out to be 8 square units. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.